In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic QR code for your business using Canva. This process is straightforward and perfect for anyone looking to effortlessly integrate scannable QR codes into their marketing materials, whether these are business cards, brochures, or flyers. First, let's start by accessing Canva. If you don't see the QR code option on your Canva homepage, fear not. Simply head over to the side menu and click on Apps. Here you can type QR code into the search bar and it should pop up immediately. This search function is a powerful tool because it helps you access all the different apps and elements that Canva has to offer without having to search manually through the entire interface. Once you have the QR code element open, the next step is to paste your URL link into the designated area. This link should be the destination you want your QR code to direct users to. It could be your website, a social media profile, a landing page, or any other online resource relevant to your business. Make sure the link you provide is active and taking users to the correct page. This step is crucial because the dynamic QR code is essentially a bridge connecting the physical world to your online presence, enhancing the accessibility of your digital content. After pasting your URL, it's time to generate the QR code. Simply click on Generate Code and Canva will work its magic to create a unique QR code for you. This part of the process is surprisingly quick. Canva will render the code in just a few seconds. Once the QR code is generated, you have a few options for customization. Depending on your design needs, you can resize the QR code, place it against different design elements, or even change the color to better suit the overall aesthetic of your marketing materials. Remember, a QR code in Canva is not static, meaning you can edit the design of the code as much as you want without needing to generate a new one unless the destination link changes. This flexibility is vital for businesses that regularly update their websites or marketing strategies and need a QR code that evolves alongside their content. To maximize the effectiveness of your QR codes, always test them before finalizing your design. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code and make sure it directs you correctly to the intended online destination. This ensures there won't be any surprises once you distribute your materials to clients or customers. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create dynamic QR codes in Canva. Whether you're incorporating them into business cards or larger advertising campaigns, these scannable codes are an invaluable addition to your design toolkit, offering audiences direct and convenient access to your digital content. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and happy designing!